Yamelo, Yamise, Ring Pasher, the later the Sitsange, a ring tor, Proho Wishimli, Verelis, a Hasaquira, Kla Ali Korum Rada, Razan Gahanitum Psychorally, Verewi, Makavata Sokamichi, Dasumi Serno, Ji Hangli Shitnaye, Jenna, a jing torva you message topical sermon enemy, right? Jenna, a Jewy message topic in a Mili Pijar Masalu, Akana Kalashing, Roglo, Jumatangli to Nanangrum say, do not judge, but love one another. Jumatangli to Suka, Nanangrum say. Jenna, you is sermonly Mazang Jao Ranglaga, Kurzan Akangnangrum say. There was once a newly wed couple who moved into a new neighborhood. Anikini he saksak cham jida klene jana apam ka tharjli yauthi vaije yauthi valaga akamang thorta hi otsaki chi sakup elga anikini ngothor cha chi khidle laga ashi khongnai naw akha shimji rakani ji ashi shimli ragan laga ashi khongnai naw bajina ashi shimji lianga laga ksang zon ngsi haiji zon berjli phui khaiji theilaga ningam mong lak thui dang ningam mong lak thu gida ariva ashi khongnai naw bajina hangi ji ya Ashipa viva, Kasang zone among Site. Qvang Asia Carly Lums and a young, Katati Gatashinoli Umsung Jigliang, the Hampung Lagatawi, Ashikong Nabajia, Jena River, Asia Karain, Asia Brave Banala, Kasava Saheno, Kakik Kamang like Sakat Bamawiji, Jen Kakiniatang Larali will get the Puya Salujan, the Tail Liga Aji, the Chakshilakena, criticism Jim Luigi, Hang Luigi, eh, Kasang zone among Site. Sapon Malaysia naka sapon makamatasin jen naka tajikliang. Why is it so dirty? Yang sinayang jilga hangpung laga makan liawiji. So week passed by. Haptakani kanere. After 1 month witili, aji shimwen sok luiji. Ashi neighbor bahi shimwen sok laga ngasan kava adam siran au aring panawiji. Kivang lejiga aji wiliva. Ksang zonji terjari ena John Burgili puyair saluiji. Jen Ashi occur jiling ning bum salaga, Ashi occurlin, Ashi neighbor bahina, Valaga. Eh, Nishui, she now by Nita Hangis Ashi occur bali. Look, she's finally learned how to wash correctly. Okay, look, she's finally learned how to wash correctly. I wonder who taught her the Hangiji, Ashi occur balia. Jenna, Asia Karabajin, her husband looked at her and gave a smile. I got up early this morning and cleaned our windows. Look at your windows. Here, the problem wasn't with the neighbor's laundry. When we listen to the story carefully, it's not the problem with the wife or neither the laundry. It was with the window the woman was looking through. Jiena, itum verishi aksada. As a disciple of Christ, as a Christian, itumi kya kana karzan hili relate saralikle. Often we judge others based on our own unclear vision. Itumi papmagdawi vangaina or our own biases, and not only that, our own insecurities. More importantly, our lack of understanding. Jena aring Torazan kainitum sakoreli mujuk sangai ko itum talagan nganang room say we have all been on both sides of that situation. But here itum vreshi agsada itum katat oktiran kle katat ring ran kleyang I vreshi agsada in okti the clay in a ring the clay musung la. Your act of conduct, your ways of living. Here, but Jesus is calling us. Jesus calls us to something much greater than that. Not to judge one another, but more importantly, to love one another. A topical sermon verses, Bible verses, I'll be using 1 or 2 scripture text portion. The Bible now being the Bible open sal hilo. Mapa verses pinji ko tonga mapa mre kete oka highlight sami re chena verses ping chena to mobile phone nila ka bikhui ka bai min ka bikhui milo chena Bible sing ping la Mark sau khi milo. Firstly, Matthew chapter 7 we verses 1 to 5 li to baking Adam stran thadate Jesus' followers discern their own fault before examining the fault of others chidle to baking Adam stran itum vreshi agasada really khangichia you agasada mili mahang therang luka mili matam therang luka mili bichar masarang luka you really khangjan khile klayang you really khavat khile klayang ji first discern examine sai ji de matam therang luka Jeniji verses you li ta hangai le judge not that you be not judged, for with the judgment you pronounce you will be judged. In a verses you bag da adam tran in a simple salaka in the summary side le itum nangrum say do not judge others until you are prepared to judge by the same standard. And then, when you exercise judgment towards others, do it with humility, Nana mi akali hangs take, mi akali katomke, kamusung jili nana kapain at tamstelo, kangwi jili kampain a kamsung and tamstelo, kanim con in a tamstelo, Jidaklinoa. Itum mi kakan he follow salikle. Vreshi aksad itum kakana he exercise salikle, jihinatum li aring tor, examine muchung sangaiko. Itum we odd bamdi labai. When you are at your work, how do you behave? Or no we malai haula. Or when we are in our home, shimli gabam adam taran shim kurunada yang avo ava isha nisavu nisava bamle o ngara bamle nganui lagay na tumita pangrum na karagay jiawgida. Vreshi aksada katat oktiran lakli yang jiji malai haula. Mujung sangay ko. Skuli katam naw bing la jangle na school khawa adam sran ni si oja bingli ka thada na nu chan han du hanen handle nu so naw bingli ka thada han mit le atum na magapha ka sa adam sran atum na chakshi ka sa adam sran what is your attitude ji la muchung sangai ko jani huli tu na phapta ki ji points pingwa Jesus is not saying we cannot discern right from wrong. Jesus Christ ni huli hang ta kle pa judge not that you be judged, for with the judgment you pronounce you'll be judged ki huli hang ta kle pa ki kle ji ka Kongwi jiliva tamji tape lungrewo. Mava song jiliva hangji tape lungre. Kai huli hang the clepa kikle jikava. Kani maina kamusung aina with right intention tamji telo hangji telo jidaklenawo. More importantly, huli second partly pakengji judge not or your pronouns or you will be judged. You will be judged as how you have judged the person. The hang hai ba hiva kikle jikava hili. Jesus is warning against the hypocritical or condemning or self-righteous spirit. Them correcting or no we kangjan, you we more hilaga laga, no we limakak sung chi kaleji hilaga laga, no we kangjan hilaga la mili tam stenga naji. Mili katahangro mili pichar sangay naji. Yang chili hang the kleko, itum vereshi aksada, itum uglongji examine saplungra. Itum vereshi aksada, itum mutui, itum ning paninji. Machuk yang pelungra, correct sa pelungra, discern sa pelungra, milimetam sterang laka. Itum akamachuk room say. Imagine someone is criticizing another for gossiping while they themselves gossip regularly. Na kalata na mi bingli masabchat laga, gossip sachat laga, mi bingli tam stegzat, mi li bichar sagzat, mi lahang zat. I jang da, itum mi kai kaping, itum mi kamo satyaw gida. We all go through that. Mori ko punga ko. Pasa mori ka punga pasa sa tiyaw gida kapasangay mi tong kapasangay ko kapag sa jili ringay jingri yan oktingay ka mori ji na itum ni control sa kay tam sran mori ji wen itum mayam sokra adam sran mori pasa sa tiyaw gida kapasa ka nga adam chitaran jilila mori ji na yuti ka adam ngaway jan nitum arui nitum lila machung sa ngay mi kay ka ngaway ji no itum sa naw kay ka ngaway ka aming va mahangyang itum ramli pamdle laga gossip sak te hang faim malem ni aka hangup kleuda ngalang da ram katong ngang yawer sa ji ne kipa wen sa khik le ji ka awe na ji ha ka pha ma te ka shi ma te mutui sa dak le ni chen itum bible hilila itum very we tu hilila clear salagan itum na proverbs li pa khyang adam saran mai sa ina tam stay dak le ne very shi ak sa itum gossip ki ji va masap lum rawa ha gossip ka sai ne ka thak le ji ka wa mili sa ching sak tak len wa mili nga kai nga sak tak len wa shim khur alung li lang kai ka sam sak tak le ne chen itum ji mam lai say we often judge others by their actions but judge ourselves by our intentions atang itum kharjan sangrum khai ji thada khilak liang ji ma thela thada mili bichar sa pa phag ji ka jang khat wa ka thak hai liang ji wa ma thela chen itum ning mu chu ka chak chak say ver shi aksada ask yourself, am I helping or hurting someone? Na mili tam ka jithe adam chitharan, mili hang ka jithe adam chitharan, mili bichar ka sa adam chitharan, vreshi akasada, what is your doctrine? Vre we do in etum ni ka tam jithe likle. Ina tam ka jithe ji aina, ina hang ka jithe ji aina mi pa chili sa jit lela. Ya? Mu chung sa ngai ko, paning sa ngai. Before correcting someone, ask yourself, have I dealt with my own sin first? You clutter we uglungli, you will morally the clergy, you clutter overcome sairala, you clutter examine satlela, you clutter really hang patlela, you clutter really puncture polaga, you more he overcome sakvivang, na e hot not lela, jiji muchukilaga, mafatam sterang laga, mahang sterang laga, mili bichar masarang laga, shasaquilo genoa. Siasa milo, yeah? Pray for them, encourage them, and walk alongside them in love. Mikamo satyogi, the God has given each and every one of us different gifts and talent. Mikai kaping va lasa thina jine, mikai kaping va matute na jine, mikai kaping va ngasam thena yi, mikai kaping va jati na jine, mikai kaping va pite na jine. We all have different gifts and different talent, and we are made unique. We all are made unique in the image of God. Jana nan sa ka theji akapam sa the samre nan ka phaning nan khambu chukji akapam ma phaning samre ma chuk varar samre kha hi ka differences clearly itum akaina ka bijar ma sang rogle kha more importantly as Christians we have to come together unite as one ko ka yang ka sa da no we differences clearly khiral ka khamatha ji khuisok laga ka tom rogle ka khring ji li ka hang nowa jana itum verse aksa da ning shares and always keep this in mind before correcting others. Examine yourself. Itung kalada examine sasi. Romans chapter 14 with 10 to 13 baking adam saran apostle Paul na matama kay nagpiyay da klene. Humorously bowls warning against judging fellow believers. Vreshi aksada vreshi we alungli itum akay na ka bichar sang rog laga, akay na ka gossip sang rog laga, akay na ka yang tang rog laga, ngamung rog da klejili apostle Paul na tamstake high text nihi. Aramantum ram shimlil ungpaying lo. Churches during that time also ito na paking them you then why do you judge your brothers or sisters tahangay lego hili let us stop passing judgment on one another instead make up your mind not to put any stumbling block jida klinawa verses pinje patagam masame karda details same karda explain side le Then you lead to verses being king Adam Saran. Unity is more important than agreement on non-essential matters in the Christian life. Vreshia sada itum kokyang sada atang hangkai jitada. Iji akawi kavajili yang sangming rog laga legi shiulungli oktui laga gatoming rog laga kokyang sada with one mind with one thought ringurum laga oktui jina tong may courage rather than atang hangkai jita we all have different thinking, different thoughts, different process. Yeah, the way we process, the way we speak, the way we think, ngati hangkai. Jena, you le hang ta klepava. Na jil important milaga you winning ka chang sara. I tam khya hogi da, I paisa sing hogi da, I hak hogi da, I Bible ka tam naw sa hogi da. Na iwi doing an aplung roko. I pastor sa hogi da, na iwi do makang nama sa pai roko. I khuwi ong sa hogi da, sa aplung roko. Are you always carried away by your intentions? Are you always carried away by what you want to do and what you desire to do? Huli Apostle Paul ni tum ni mathalak ina mi haidli ko tamjithedli verses 1 to 13 chili baking adam sran. Clearly he explains the conflict between Jews and the Gentiles. Context baking adam sran itum na tere. Churches to Adam Jilila, the Corinthians no, Romans leader no, or Ephesians leader no, Galatia leader no. Churches ngating the Apostle Paul na hapok mi the clean no. Kala within that church, time to time Apostle Paul na valaga vatam stay the clean no tuiji. Hey, akay na kalishing roglo. Pichar masang roklo, Vresia ksata legacy giva importance ana ko the vatam jite, hang jite jidekleno. Jishu Christa amasana itum nita the riding jite leko, itum church agasada, itum koki angasada, og to he importance ana ko the anitam jite share the kleno churches pingli. Here asokra church alongli kakaira sokra, church alongli or families we alongli, community we alongli. Mavagasung differences jirara karadam siran namung saure vreshi aksasa mi kamo sa theogida rasokra ji theogida apostle Paul hi Romans li details and tam stay the clean oitumli Paul na atumni tam stay le de jo tam jili Roman now bingli. No matter how much gospel I shared with you in a very way to kya ka thukta tam stay salapai na tumi wang sha sa mi jingle ko sha sa mi re sha sa mi jingle. No matter how much I pray for you, I share the gospel to you. When there is no change in your heart, itumwi uklungli, nawi uklungli kangaje makle adam sitaran. Aremane the hang the klide. Mokui sang lak mre ji the klide. Then verses 1 to 13 the bagata king adam sitaran, I recognize 3 important points where Paul is trying to give out the message to us this morning. Firstly, he emphasized that unity requires liberality. Firstly. Secondly, unity is an evidence of love. Thirdly, and finally, and unity exemplifies the life of the Lord Jesus Christ. Jenna, always keep this in mind. In church, differences will be there. In family, in workplace, in school, there will be differences, style of worship, cultural expressions, and personal convictions. But more importantly, what we must do with that differences we have within us, among us, what we should do. Let us not judge one another. Let us not be divided, or let us not create this unity within the things that the way we think, the way we process. But more importantly, instead, focus on building each other. Focus on building up each other in love. John chapter 13, 34, 35, chili, a Bible pami vunalam, again pami here, hili, verena, Jishu Christiana, malong chang, naugida. Tamjithe liko amati rang laga thi haure gi jo tamjili awi disciples pingli sakhang the pingli hokhui laga kokka pamrum laga an tamgijithe malung chang la kaina tamgijithe text akako atam phaga verses pingjila arama mathangwi verses pingjil ong paying lo hiuli verse 34 and 35 the focus alaga hangi. Jesus gave a new commandment here, and what is that new commandment? Which we are to love one another. A new commandment I give you. Love one another as I have loved you. So you must love one another. Jena, itum legacy kale adam sitaran. What that signifies, what that portrays. Verse 35 li. Itum nate. With that, me na yang kra adam sitaran. With that, people will know that you are my disciples. Itaklide. Na iwi sakhang thi ane. Na iwi yaw naw na iwi naw ne ji jena theire da hangai lite. Jena ring thor nu tumli question akhang han ngai. What is one thing that made us unique as Christians? Nu tum mam chu gyang la kai rekle. What is one thing that make us so unique as Christians? Secondly, atang hang kai sita what is love? Achon tang fellowship li ni huma tang li ke share sai re. Legacy we maramli share sa siga I need another sessions containing jang fuji ni jan thukla kai na majang se ka legacy ki ji ki klei muchung sa ngai. And what is so unique about our Christians? Muchung sa ngai ko kini hi itu mamlai se aru verse le hang kai sita da love legacy ki jiwa. It's one of the pillar in our Christian life. Pakru akako ji mamlai se. Jena verse yuli, what is love according to Jesus? Jishu Christa na kiwang itada hangao, or Jishu Christa na ki hanglak kijikliang legacy ki hanglak kijikliang they tum na baking adam stran here. When Jesus tells us to love as he has loved us, he means that he is calling us to serve others, even when it is difficult for you and me. He is calling us to forgive one another forgive those who have wronged against us. Thirdly, to welcome the outcast and to exercise grace when it is not deserved. Ito mi kya kan hi practice likle. We are living in this metropolitan city where the world is moving so fast. Ichi chao we ot ngurjili khomset ngrok le ko kai ka ping IT company li osad le kai ka ping na bank li osad le kai ka ping na some of you are entrepreneur yang kai ka ping na lari ka tamjili sakjang le kai ka ping na oh you mi rin ki salak ni klang Bangalore li ki wang talak liang da machuk laga phaning laga ki sa ka phani klang you wang ki hai mi you wang king ran mi li klang da machuk laga gazat mi la jang le re jena in this time of business, in this time of all this up and down, katong mix alaga gazat adam, mang laga gazat adam, nu ot salaga marak live ning chot laga ni sat salapai, ning maring ka padam na sampang babamra. Do you have a time to sit down and think about what Jesus has taught you? Legi si hikik leyang jinu tumam chuk likle. Legi si hi kilak leyang kala na legi si vre na aritam kis take hai ji thada na follow sat lela. Hewley G. Campbell Morgan, one of the famous evangelists and preachers na that hangai leko. The measure in which Christian people fail in love to each other is the measure in which the world does not believe in them or their Christianity. It is the final test of discipleship according to Jesus. Na yuili legishi jimlekava. Na yuili legishi kila kliang Jesu Krista na itumli legishi demonstrate sa mikhaiji. Na yui uglungli na kladana experience masakwirang kava. You have to ask yourself, am I really Christian? Iver silakla jijim chung sangai ko, paning sangai ko. Atang hangkaiji tada, love is not a suggestion. Hewley Jesu Krista na hangkaiji, you must love one another. It's a command. Hang the Glenua. Mere now being taken shipai jilivakava, actually the command me kaiji, Makai Pine, the Kai Kaiji of punishment Saikani. Itu me very you little Jesu Christani hangai the Glenua. Hey, Mahai na Jisapung Roko, the Glenua. Shanyo na Yimak Samsa Pime Roko, the Glenua. It's not a suggestion. He sasika, Masasikle, he shaisika, him shaisikle, he quisika, him quisikle, Jimning Noa. Jesu Christani hang the Clehiva. Legishi he lay plum Roko, Jinoa, no uglungli. Legishi ataji, Jesu Christa li kuisang tangay na ataji li lingsang mi kain wa. Ocha na siya sa atang, ocha na baptism kui mi tangay na, really kuisang tangay na legishi ataji yaw sang mi kain wa. Ataji kerang saglaw jidak le wa, nuwi uglung li. Ataji nuwi uglung li makard le kava. Something is wrong. You have to ask yourself. Love compasses everything. Legishi, leghai taran. It overcomes everything. Yang, then muchung sangai ko ntumli. Jesu Christa ni tumli mathalakay na. Before he died, with heavy burden he have shared. He have taught his disciples, and through to us today, aring to reminds halu shit leko muchuking lo legishi hi le plungra legishi atahi no uklungli yaw sang hello kerang soglo haksang soglo. Don't let the hatred overtake you. Don't judge it, but let the love grow in your heart, in your everyday life. Itum na Karjan bakyang Adam Stran, Luke chapter 10 with 25 to 37 di bakyang Adam Stran the thi. Think of a good Samaritan. Ana katada mi bajiling John mielekle. He throw away all the ethnic, social and religious differences and he help. Are we compassion? Are we like how many of us are like that? No we are we kangajan. No we iwi mavag sungji tonga yang kringai laga like shiena kamatai na gatomi laga nei hisasana. How many of you are doing that? How many of you are learning to give a constructive feedback to those in need? Itum example agasado kuise mobile phone sing shared lere, laptop sing shared lere, default setting the shared lere. Default settings in kisakli jikava. Anytime you visit that particular website or app, open sak leo the website ping ji ma pha lu ji la click sak leo the direct ji lu khwi wa ji ne that's default setting oh kli vai kliang the ma pha drai lu la ka once you set it in front amangali set sak kai ji click sak leo the direct ji lu khwi wa we the same thing here let love be your default setting like shi ji na nu default setting sang lo ji hi remain sang ai then moving on to our final point what love looks like atang si bible pa mi nam thala ke na pa mi he re mangana khui sala ramli shimli ung laga bible ji ung har laga ung pa lu shit lo atamlim the details in ma pa mi re 1 Corinthians chapter 13 we verses 4 to 7 or verses 1 to 7 joli ji ung pa lo ji lim thala ke na priorities and characteristics of love like si hi kilakla kala like si we characteristics of love hi ma thala ke na mai sha ina Apostle Paul tam state leko pai ke dai you don't need a theologian you don't need a dictionary pak lo da phap daura chen ji m thala kan ung pa lo here one of the best example that we can take is that throughout the generation itum yang walo jisu christiana an ogtui shem thangai na ogtui shem thangai na ana legi shiji athaji ling sang khai de Adam and Eve li what happened because of their worldly lust Pasa punghau gida ani kini winning jang we wang really disappoint me they disappointed God and disobeyed God and with that what happened they have to face difficulties they have to face suffering they have to face every day of arui tum jiwang ta ring de klenoa and with that God never judged okay he loved us so much that he gave another chance moving on to the generation itum tell you Noah we story went tell you day He sent flood and he saved those who loved him. He gave another chance telling that punishment may be but in the days to come, in the future, may nanitumli chatsara ta hangay lide. Chia ka ring si da, Jishu Christian awileg ishi. Kal no week sakwavi rako. Iwi chak iwi kwida nali shamait leko inaung rada. Home kui laga, kang kui laga, datung kai jili ana, nairo nena, kang kui laga, kamsung song fu jili jitayde. Dero longli, tihaura da struggles hagza chanwa. Tang kamanga longli, mangzat laga akali angadak da tihaura, gongli gata adam sran kohora jitayjinwa. Jishu Christian throughout the Bible when you read, rajitayjing de. But soon after Noah's story, kata, same thing happened again. Israelites, more than 430 years slave salvide Egypt. And again, yet God gave another chance. Atang hangkai jitada 340 years of slavery is like machuging la. Itum company league sabing na tate later. Od vasai attitude nali payment ji wage jimmy day. The side jilila we are complaining so much. Katam now bing jika assignment jung na ye. Exam le ye, ocha pai sashi na ye. Now she now bing isha va ve iwi kapening mathe laga. Isha vuva in kining jangle jila masami laga. We complain even for little things. But the Israelites, they suffered for 340 years, but still God brought them out from the slavery. Wilderness liquivalaga vrenangatang milaga tata kangra mishunde. Transiting to Jesus. New Testament li kara adam shran vrena paptai mikamo pingi ningi shila matay ture. Mikapungo pingi mang zangat mang haurali jithao gida. Amasana oktui litalaga amasana itumi chagui itumi pasa jipron kuilaga oktui liralaga demonstrate rakasade. Ratam giteno amasana ralaga hey ira hairo ko nganalo. Tam chitay tak ling nalo no we kamia ko taratam chitay lede. After that also, ito mi kya kana. Serious ala ka nalaga ane tam chitay ka hawi along jili oktwit legle. Or are you taking it for granted? Variation na da amingay na sasat lela. Or are you always thankful to God for what God has given to you? Kala Vreshi ak sada ka ring rak leang jiji muchuk laga paning laga vreli ning shida oktwit leg leang jiji muchuk sangay ko. Jana Jishu Christiana awilegi shiji itom na young one of the my favorite character really. awi an iwi wang no wi wang more wi wang sami khai chi muchuk laga sometimes when I pray kneel down and pray at night in my personal devotion charu ta laga ya sha sak sang vai ali mi ping la rak phe sai ji la khang khui laga ki kam tham ni choke nan phat ma ga daw wang in ili ta da sa ni krustung jili thi khami adam saran what did he do? The blood was flowing up from his hand, from his toe. Sak tong when she long the lady. Mer na dang pitai da. Tak the thi khawai wang da mi bin tru ga bo dam sran armies ping jin ki sa da. O gui arapili va do de. Blood was flowing down from his. But during that struggle, during that moment, a kon sila did he judge a bichar sala? No. Bichar salak ne. But he demonstrated legi shi kilak liang ji krustung jili an demonstrate samide. And the last word that he spoke was what was it? Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do. Mi ping na jili manu shi trial ga pamdle mi ping na jili ali ga je na todle. But still ava vera no we mi ping no we now ping li pyo mi lak lo atum na sa tak le ji khik le ji ma thei je ne pyo mi lo da vren sha sa mi la ka thi mi hed le de krusli chani tum aring thor phni ung se phni ung sa ngai chana ari hiwi katang wakli itum message ngana khwere sa khwere. Now what is our response? Itum no we response kikle. How can we put this in practice? Firstly, check your heart before your mouth. Uklungji examine salo no uklungji yang lo jino mili matam sterang laga mang sterang laga bicharam sarang laga. Pray before reacting. Malung vate ji sai jila mi kamo sa thiaw kita thangin hangai jita love is unconditional. Katang magwam ko limited mangwam ko mi kamo wi legi shi ji was so limited. But mi kamo wi legi shi ji ma wasung mani ji thiaw with the Jesu Christian an hangai de kleno. Love someone, love as I have loved you, you know. In a legacy, you know, it's unlimited. Namalung kava Adam Jilila, Ringapa Adam Jilila, Nasika for Adam Jilila, no legacy, you know. Then pray. Speak the truth in love. Throughout the Bible, Genesis to Revelation, parking Adam trying to correction gasa. Tam gachite, hangachite, you matangli puiti, and of tam stately. Now she now being even in Proverbs chapter 13, 22, 23, Jipava details and hang the clean. Now she now being na mangana tula, tam stay the clay, Kamusung song for limited tula, ting and sing local tam stay logi the clay day. General Mutali, most of Hilia, Sidilium Tator, Ramutali Gaga being a vova being a tingsing foot later, tingsing looking a pedite lady, Helicar now being Gagles and glay. Itum later the ringai. A vova being Akasak, Sayon Clouda, ting and a rang a pit, tingling a cheesina. Where we do need to limit talak and them stay loco. But here, we should remember that, but only when done humbly and only for restoration. Misuse salo nimko. Sarcastic way na hang say jigava itum miracling sot nong room. That's at cover ngavaiwa. As mirin kathalikle, I mirin hiva champut in the way the hang vade. Jana hili sarcastic salagan hanglo jigava. Life without love is champut jino. Legishi makle adam siran color jimlame no black, it becomes black and white. None kya ko hot na sai jilala. Legishi makle adam siran. It will be so hard for you to achieve something that you want to achieve. Jingri kai jimlame re. Koke angak sa jimlame rowa. Jen mamalaya say, forgive those who have wronged you. Learn to forgive them. Pray for them. Love beyond comfort zones. Jen he hang laga gupsang kawai sauge. Aju habda chat vaki jihiva. Na iwi uglung examine sal ka chat vakawai sa se. Legishi we alungli. Aju message and intum encourage sakungai bawa. Where there is division, bring unity. Where there is criticism, sow kindness. Legishi we ataji yausung lo jino. Let us not be like the neighbor that I have shared the story. Karzanji ngana krum haita kongnai baji tada mok twila. Who was so quick to judge them, but misled by her intentions. But be the person who reflect Christ's heart. Jishu Christian itum lig tada ring sangai kla. Jisu Krista ni tum ni kita tam chithei likliang ji chithei laga itum siasa seha ka sai nang soda itum hapta chat wagi ji ring va se mirin chat wagi ji hi ring va kwai sa se ji laga hi hang laga tang kwai sau ke ngana gui khai ni tum psycho relief re we so coming sarano amen